when it's 6 o'clock in the morning, you want to do woodworking, you can't make any noise in your garage or outside at a certain time. You drive down the road, you plug in your sander, and do your thing. Just so you can get your project started in the day. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta plug in outlet right here. Gotta do what you gotta do. All I gotta do is sand off this overspray to get started on my clocks. And that's how you do it. Got to use a little bit of thinking. I was like, man, I really want to get started early, but I can't be making noise at the house just yet. So the back of my truck has got a plug in. Obviously, that's how I'm doing it. You want to get things done? That's how you get things done. Adapt, achieve, and overcome just to get started and get busy. Y'all have a great day, and remember, I don't know. Fuck, here I say just remember, and I forgot what I was going to say. Have a good fucking day. Later, y'all.